it's Celeste again. I'm excited to share some more DIY Christmas ornaments ideas for your tree. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated on all my videos. Before we get started, let's go over what you'll need for this project. Two colors of yarn size 4 or medium, a G-hook or size 4.25 millimeter, a 5.5 centimeter in diameter of ring, a yarn needle, some beads, a glue gun, and lastly the scissors. Now that we have everything we need, let's get started. First, grab your hook, ring, and yarn. We will begin with a slip knot and then work on the first puff. To do this, make 5 double crochets right here. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then go back to the first double crochet, grab the yarn, and make a slip stitch. And your puff stitch is now done. Chain 3, go back to the ring, and then start making 5 double crochets again. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one, 5. Then go back to the first double crochet and make a slip stitch. The second puff stitch is now done. Then chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and repeat the process until you have a total of 9 puff stitches. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this 5 double crochet here is the last puff stitch that we need to complete our first row. At this point, if you prefer to use one color, then you do need to cut the yarn before making the final slip stitch to complete the first row. But if you want to change colors, go ahead and cut the yarn, then insert your hook into the first puff stitch and grab the second color to change it. Then secure the yarn at the back and cut the first color that we already have here. For the second row, we need to start with a slip stitch on the first space right here. Then we all start the pattern. To begin, let's start with 1/2 double crochet, then 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, and now chain 2, 1, 2, and do a picot. 1 double crochet again, and 1/2 double crochet. Then slip stitch on the next space. This completes the first pattern. Let's do the same on the next space. 1/2 double crochet, oops, 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, chain 2, then do a picot. 1 double crochet, and finally 1/2 double crochet. Slip stitch on the next space and repeat the pattern for a total of 9 to complete the row. Once you are done the 9th pattern right here that we are making, make a slip stitch. Next, we all make a chain of 20 for hanging purposes. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Then go back to the first stitch and secure the yarn at the back. Once we are done, cut the yarn and we all secure the yarn at the back. Now let's move on the next steps. Let's grab the beads and glue them at every space or in between those two puff stitches. And just like that, your project is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can do it now. Don't forget to leave your comments below and share it with your friends. Have a nice day, everyone. See you on my next video.